Let's start with basic Kubernetes commands. Here we're talking about kube-c-tl, right? You ever wondered what is kube-c-tl means? The first letter, the cube, represents the short form of the Kubernetes, and the C stands for controlling, and TL stands for tool. So you can say Kubernetes control tool. These are the commands we're going to try. Cluster node and pod management commands. To start with, we'll go with the kube-c-tl version. Kube-c-tl space version. So this basically brings up the client and the server version. You can see here. So it's showing us client version and then the server version. Before you start any of the kube-c-tl commands, you have to first make sure the kube-c-tl is working fine. This kube-c-tl version command ensures that the kube-c-tl is ready for taking the commands. Or else in the developer language you can say, can I talk to cluster? It's a kind of health check. The next on the list is kube-c-tl cluster info. This basically shows the information about the Kubernetes cluster. The clusters will be single cluster or multiple cluster. You will get the information by running this command kube-c-tl cluster -info. So this gives the information about the cluster.